www.wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wireless doorbells. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the versatile coolqiya chimes kit incorporates 2 push-button transmitters and 3 AC-powered receivers. It has 58 different ringtones and 5 volume levels to choose from, and a simple memory function allows you or your visitors to leave a message. It's available in black or white with a 1,000-foot range. However, the setup instructions are complicated. At number 9, a highly popular choice, the Ring 3 Plus is powered by a rechargeable battery pack and offers 1080p HD video, live view, night vision, and a wide 160-degree field of view. A handy pre-roll feature shows the previous 4 seconds of activity before motion detection. It integrates seamlessly with Alexa and offers dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, but be aware that cloud access requires a subscription. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Remo Plus Remobell S sports an attractive design and can store up to 72 hours of footage online. Its updated firmware promises accurate motion detection plus custom control of the camera's bright zones. No subscription is required for this one, and it can send alerts to your smartphone. However, be aware that the transmitter needs to be hardwired. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless doorbells, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, offered in a range of colors to match your home's decor, the sadotech CXR is a straightforward option with over 50 built-in tones. It comes with 2 plug-in receivers, and you can opt for one of these to be battery-powered, though only if you choose the white model. It has a minimalist appearance, and the volume is adjustable from 25 to 110 decibels, but it is vulnerable to water damage. Moving up our list to number 6. For those looking for additional home security, the eufycam 2C wireless comes with 2 wireless high-definition cameras, a door chime, and a smart base. The built-in storage can save up to 180 days of video, and it can be accessed via Wi-Fi-enabled devices. It features color night vision and can connect to up to 16 cameras. However, the memory isn't expandable. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available with 1 or 2 receivers, the qniglo solar-powered incorporates a lithium-ion battery that recharges during the day. An operating range of almost 2,700 feet makes it ideal if your front gate is a long way from the house. It boasts an IP55 protection rating, 20 chimes and 3 volume levels, and a convenient recharging base. At number 4, the Honeywell Skybell features a 1080p HD camera that connects to smart devices via Wi-Fi. You can check doorbell activity and see and speak to visitors from anywhere in the world via the Honeywell Remote Services app. It comes with a bronze-colored finish, and a separate door chime is also available. It can store up to 500 megabytes of video. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, simple and very affordable, the Avantek Mini boasts 52 CD quality chimes to choose from, with a maximum volume of 115 decibels. The transmitter is built to hold up in heat, cold, and rain, and the battery lasts as long as 3 years. It includes 2 plug-in receivers and has a 1,000-foot range. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless doorbells, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the zumimall Home Security provides 2-way real-time audio and full HD video with night vision. A pre-installed 32GB SD card stores the footage when motion is detected, and alerts can be sent to your phone as well. It takes just 5 minutes to install and set up, and you can pre-record a 30-second message. It connects via Wi-Fi. And taking the top spot on our list, the Honeywell Series 9 is a portable device with a 450-foot range. It uses 4C batteries and notifies you with a bright LED in addition to sound. You can select from 7 colors and 8 ringtones, or download the MP3 file of your choice. It includes a wall mounting kit and boasts a 5-year battery life, and it can connect to additional buttons. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless doorbells, or simply click beneath this video.